Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make altered paper clips with 3 pockets. And this was inspired by Lorette, the vintage paper girl. And we have a pocket there, a pocket here, and a pocket here that I don't have anything for. I'll have to find something. And there's your paper clip. So it clips nicely on your journal page. And it has 3 pockets. Isn't that cool? Yeah, when I seen her do it, I knew I just had to do this. And we'll probably do this in our group, Lori's Crafts. So let's make one. Now, you can make it from, I'm using kit papers. You can make it from your kit papers, which are your 8.5 by 11, or you can make it from scrapbook paper like Lorette did. Either way works. But what you want to do, you want to cut it 5 by 10. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Set that one aside. And then 5. And you want to keep that piece because you'll be using pieces off of that, which I will just cut now. If I can remember. I think that's it. I think that's the sizes. All right. And then you want your scoreboard. Where's my scoring tool? Oh, my desk's such a mess. You want to score it at 3 and 7. And don't press too hard if you're using regular copy paper. There we go. So we're just going to fold these along that score line. And if you don't have a scoreboard, look at, we got something pretty on front. If you don't have a scoreboard, don't worry about it. Just fold it into thirds. Very simple to do. And I have a little overhang on the bottom, and I did on the other one too. And I think it's just papers are not straight. So I'm just trimming the bottom there. All right, so we have this. Okay, so we're gonna put our paper clip in, and just like Lorette, I like to have the big part on the outside so that you know it grabs your paper. And we're gonna take one of these and glue that down. And that'll cover the paper clip so you can take things, you know, a tag inside and out of that pocket. And if you want, you can leave your paper clip sticking up a little bit so you can add a charm to it if you like. I'm not going to do that part. So there's that. Now, this is your side tut. You can put a little notch there if you like. My circle punches will not cut on this paper. I tried all 3 of them, and they wouldn't do it. They all got jammed, and I had to cut it myself on the last one. Where'd it go? Right here. But it's probably a good idea to do it so you know it's a pocket, but I'm not going to do it on this one. So next thing you want to do is you want to close this up. So we got that. And then we're going to run a bead along there. Oops, I forgot to do the top. I think that's about, yep, a little too far. And if you ink, you want to ink. Should have done the inking before the gluing because of my pocket needs to be inked. So it stands out and you know it's a pocket. I think this would be a great project to use with your book pages. So we're going to use this as a pocket for the front. Now you don't have to do this part, especially since I have the flower. I almost don't want to. What? I have some pieces here. What if we didn't put a pocket on this one? And put a word there. I wonder if I have a smaller word. Let's see what we have in this kit. I'm just using everything from the kit. This is for my design team project for Natalie at, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm drawing a blank. Line dot arrow. I cannot believe I just did that. I'm making a journal. I'm trying to see what word I want. Maybe this one. I'm making a journal and I'm going to use these in the journal. Yes, I'm concentrating, sorry. I think that's a nice small piece to go down there. Now, oh here. This is some of my rusted cheesecloth. Oh, I like that. Got a couple of cards there. Now let's grab a tag, which I already have. I think I might want to round the corners on this. You can also round the corners on the altered paper clip on your pockets. So there we go. Isn't that nice? And it would be nice using cardstock too. So let's set that right there. Where's my other one? Do we have time to make one more? Let's do one more. So we want to cut it 5 by 10. find my two other pieces that we need. One that covers the paper clip and one that makes the pocket. And I'm just guesstimating at the sizes of them. And then we want to score this at 3 and 7. And these are fun. I might have to make some out of my cardstock, my paper pack, so that I have some on hand. So then just fold this up. And the paper isn't even. So I take off a little bit at the bottom, just to even that up. Whoops, did I hit you? It looks crooked. Oh my gosh, it's crooked. Yep, just a little bit. I think I'm going to round the corners on this one. Got little papers everywhere. And then put your paper clip in. The small side on the inside and the big side on the outside. And then this will cover it. I've had this glue for years and I'm like, I got to use this, get it all used up. Get it out of here. I don't like that glue. I think I bought it when I first started junk journals. All right, let's ink her. So how are you guys doing? Do you have a weekend of crafts? I'm taking Holly to get more school clothes today. And I'm doing laundry. All right, so let's close up the bottom. Yeah, I have a busy day. I forgot the top again. Why do I do that every time? All right, look at those pretty flowers. I don't want to put a pocket again because we have pretty flowers. And I don't think I will. I think I'm just going to do the same thing. So on the first one that I did, it was nice plain paper. And you took a piece and you put a pocket at the bottom. Okay. But because I have pretty flowers on the front of mine, I don't want to cover them with a pocket. And then stick something in there. Oh, that one's a little too big. Stick that ace in there. Okay, so I'm not going to do a pocket, but I am going to grab a tag. Ink it up. Or maybe a smaller tag. I'm going to use that smaller tag. I might do a masterboard with the scraps that I have and make journaling cards to fit in the side pockets there. Let's see what we want to put here. I think we'll do roses, the small one. So yeah, head on over to Natalie's channel at Line.Arrow and see what she's doing with the kit this month. And check out all the design team members. And I will have the links down below. And I appreciate Natalie letting me be on your design team this month as a guest design team member. I've been having fun working with this kit. There. I love these. So there you go. We got one with rounded corners. I like that. I think I'm going to go back and round the other ones if I can. I like that. So we have one with a pocket on the front, and then these two with just the pocket on the side. So you can do it any which way that you want to. And nice paper clip on the back. And you can also make these without the paper clip and glue them into your journal and have the pockets. That's also another great idea. And thank you, Vintage Paper Girl Lorette, for the inspiration. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.